Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. We are back again. Trying to do some catching up here, guys. It's been a while since I brought y'all some videos, so I'm catching up, doing as many as I can. Today is a good one. As you see in the thumbnail, we are doing a knife review. Walmart is at it again, guys. Check this out. 8.66 inch fixed blade knife, stainless steel blade, injection handle and sheath, 5-inch handle, 3.66 inch blade. Alright, it's got the tanto shape, whatever you want to call it. Let's check it out. We ain't gonna do no beating around the bush on this. We're just gonna open it up and get to it. Seems like the best thing to do. It's terrible. You gotta have a knife to get your knife out. Alright. The sheath. Plastic ABS. Turn that belt loop any way you want. And it looks like it's removable. I don't know that I like that because it's not real snug. You have potential of losing it that way, but to each his own, however you want it. The knife, not bad. Good, thick blade. It's got a decent edge on it. Some of Ozark Trail's blades are a little sharper. Yeah, this one has needs some work. It's not razor sharp, but it will do the job. Of course, made in China. Good grip on that handle. It's rubberized. It's got a thin coat of rubber on it. It does feel real good. Little lanyard hole right there. I think this would make a perfect like utility knife. Great for a work knife. Dealing with, you know, paper and boxes, maybe stuff like that. Great utility knife, in my opinion. Of course, throw it in your toolbox, something like that. Locks in place pretty good. Yeah, it's in there pretty good. So not bad. $7 at Walmart. It's the newest knife they've had in there in a long time. I check every time I go in there, and actually found this in the camping section. So not bad. Nice little Ozark Trail. You know, fixed blade utility knife, if you ask me. I don't like how low that sits. I like my belt clip to be up here. This right here, if I put it on my belt like this right here, that right there is going to be digging into my side, into my fat, and it'd be real uncomfortable. So I wouldn't wear this as a belt knife. Pack knife if you want to. A great utility knife. This, I actually will probably put this in my work truck because, you know, you always need a knife. I need a knife a lot at work, and this right here looks to be like it'd be a pretty decent work knife. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor real quick, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button. That way you're made aware next time I do a video on one of these beautiful knives, or any other video actually. And that's really it, guys. One more time, I want to thank you for your support through this for these past 3 months. I know it's been rough for me, you know, with everything that I've had going on, everything that's been going on with my life and everything, and the channel and everything else, the lack of videos. But you guys are awesome for continuing to watch, subscribe, comment, like, and everything else. You guys are great, and I owe it all to you. We're sitting on the verge of 2,000 subscribers. We're $18.99, I believe. Let's see if we can get 2,000 by, let's say, the end of the month. I challenge you guys to give me 2,000 subs at the end of the month. Might be a giveaway involved. You never know. With all that, be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people.